Comrades, I can say to you tonight that the Jack Den Medical Service is up and running. I gave a commitment and I am reinforcing that commitment tonight. Not one single comrade, once you're properly registered, will be turned back because you don't have any money. That is my gift to you. Healthcare. Comrade leader, to the right of the stage is some of my Cuban doctors. And they are here because I asked them to be a part of the motorcade today, just in case we had any accident. I'm going to call them to come on stage. These are some of the finest Cuba has to offer, and they are here to serve us. We're doing cardiology, we're doing ophthalmology, we're doing dialysis, we're doing oncology, and all of those comrades who have problems with the eyes, we also have an eye care center fully equipped and ready to go. I stand with the Cubans because they have always stood with us. And so whatever geopolitical challenge there is, I'm saying tonight publicly that whatever it costs, I am going to keep them here for the duration of their contract. Thank you very much. It's a music, man. It will be nice if you pay. Don't worry about a thing. Mark Davidson go to his ear. Comrades, let me stay with healthcare. I promised an ambulance service second to none. It is actually an A&E on wheel. That ambulance is here. Those persons, as early as next week, will be coming to the community to give service to those persons who are unable to find health care at a hospital or at a medical center. And those Cubans are going to provide the service for $0. There will be no charge to any person who need medical care. I have just invested in 3 primary health care kits that they will use when they go to the community. So there is nothing that you can have as disease that we would be able to fix. Again, it is called a life of service. It's not about money. We are in phase 2 of building out the hospital, and I can proudly announce that the container will arrive tomorrow morning with all the equipment to furnish our operating theater. It will be the finest in this country. Life of service. Jackman are the first and only Suma lab in the English-speaking Caribbean. We are doing that